As a commercial property owner, you should always be looking ahead. And if you hire a top-tier commercial management company to handle the present, you're ensuring a more profitable future for yourself. I'm Matt Zako for Crown Commercial Property Management. And in this video, I'll tell you about a few ways our management makes your commercial real estate more valuable. Preventative maintenance. The concept of preventative maintenance is fairly self-explanatory. Spend a little now to prevent a problem that would force you to spend a lot more later. We make sure that the condition of your property remains excellent over the years, thereby raising its value. One example is your building's HVAC. If your tenants are responsible for maintaining it, that's great. But are they truly doing that? We will make sure by monitoring the servicing of that valuable system. Detailed financial record keeping. You might not find that phrase very exciting, but you should, because it's going to make you money. If you entrust the management of your commercial property to a smaller outfit, chances are you're going to end up with files missing, reports lost, and unreliable data. But we keep precise and up-to-the-minute records of any and every financial transaction, including verification of inspections and repairs. This information is available to you at all times in an easily understandable format. The accuracy of all our books and records ultimately results in a higher resale value for your property. Cash flow. The resale value of your commercial property partially depends on what it can deliver in monthly revenue. Potential buyers will pay attention to how much each unit is renting for. Because we've got expert commercial leasing agents on staff who research local markets and create detailed comparisons, we can guarantee that your property will earn the highest possible market rents. This leads to higher valuations from buyers and appraisers when it comes time to sell. Our management increases the reward you'll receive when you eventually sell your well-maintained property. That's because here at CCPM, we take commercial personally.
For more information, call 323-402-6607 or visit ccpm.net today.